Have you ever wondered what the most beautiful places in Armenia are? Today, we venture into the heart of this gem tucked away in the South Caucasus, Armenia. A country steeped in history, enveloped in rich culture, and adorned with breathtaking landscapes. From ancient monasteries perched on highlands to vibrant cityscapes humming with life, Armenia's beauty is as diverse as it is captivating. So, without further ado, we start our countdown of the 30 most beautiful places in Armenia. We start our journey with number 30, the ancient city of Vanadzor. Nestled amidst lush green mountains, Vanadzor charms with its old-world architecture and vibrant art scene. At 29, we have Sisian, a city that whispers tales of the Bronze Age. Its ancient stone formations and menhirs stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. Next up at 28 is Gyumri, a city that's a living testament to Armenia's resilience. Its classic architecture and lively cultural scene are a must-visit for any culture enthusiast. Coming in at 27 is Dilijan, often referred to as the Switzerland of Armenia. Here, the air is filled with the scent of the dense forests and the melodies of the bubbling streams. Finally, at 26, we have Jermuk, famous for its hot springs and health resorts. A place where nature and well-being intertwine beautifully. These places offer a glimpse into Armenia's rich history and natural beauty. Moving on to number 25, we have the stunning Lake Sevan. This azure gem, one of the largest freshwater high-altitude lakes in the world, is a sight to behold. Its shimmering waters tell tales of time, beauty, and tranquility. Next at number 24 is Noravank, an awe-inspiring 13th century Armenian monastery. Set amidst towering cliffs, its intricate stone carvings and sacred aura make it a spiritual sanctuary for all. Khor-Virap, coming in at number 23, is not just a beautiful monastery, but a place steeped in history and faith. Its panoramic views of Mount Ararat are simply breathtaking. At number 22, we arrive at the Tatev Monastery, an architectural marvel perched on the edge of a deep gorge. Its serene atmosphere and stunning vistas are truly enchanting. Lastly, at 21, we have the Bayurican Observatory. This place is a testament to Armenia's contribution to astronomy, offering a celestial experience like no other. Each of these places holds a unique charm that captivates anyone who visits. At number 20, we find the breathtaking Geghard Monastery. Carved into the side of a mountain, this UNESCO World Heritage Site whispers tales of medieval architecture and spiritual devotion. Next stop, at 19, is the Ambered Fortress. Standing proudly at the slopes of Mount Aragats, the fortress is an enduring symbol of Armenia's resilience throughout history. 18th on the list takes us to the Arini Cave. Here, archaeologists discovered the world's oldest winery, a testament to the country's long-standing winemaking tradition. 17th brings us to the Yerevan Fortress, a fortress city that predates Rome and offers a glimpse into Armenia's ancient past. Finally, at number 16, we have the Odzin Church, an architectural marvel from the 5th century, nestled amidst a verdant landscape. The church is a serene sanctuary echoing with the chants of long-ago liturgies. These sites are a testament to Armenia's rich cultural heritage and stunning landscapes. Next, at number 15, we have the mesmerizing Tsag-Kadzor. This enchanting city is not just a winter wonderland, but a year-round feast for the senses. Moving on, we arrive at the Garni Temple, number 14 on our list. This classical Hellenistic temple is a testament to Armenia's rich history and diverse cultural influences. At number 13, we have Arzny, a village known for its mineral waters and health resorts. Its therapeutic springs have been rejuvenating visitors for centuries. Next up, the mighty Mount Aragats takes the 12th spot. It's not just the highest peak in Armenia, but also a symbol of the nation's resilience and natural splendor. Finally, at number 11, we have the Akhtala Monastery. This fortified monastery is a marvel of medieval architecture, with stunning frescoes that have withstood the test of time. These places showcase the variety and depth of Armenia's natural and cultural beauty. Cracking the top 10 at number 10 is the spectacular Mount Ararat. This majestic mountain with its snow-capped peak is not just a natural beauty but also a symbol of Armenian identity. Next, at number 9, we have Yerevan, the vibrant capital city. Its unique pink stone architecture and lively street culture make it a must-see destination. Coming in at number 8 is the Blue Mosque, a stunning testament to Armenia's rich cultural tapestry. Its intricate tilework and tranquil courtyard are a sight to behold. At number 7 we find Ekmiadzin, a spiritual sanctuary that is also the oldest cathedral in the world. It stands as a testament to Armenia's deep-rooted Christian faith. Number 6 takes us to the Matenadaran, a repository of ancient manuscripts. This place is a treasure trove of knowledge and a testament to Armenia's historical love of learning. These sites represent the heart of Armenia, full of history, culture, and stunning views. Entering the top 5 at number 5 is the incredible Zvartnots Cathedral. This 7th century architectural marvel, whose name translates to celestial angels, is as awe-inspiring as the celestial beings it's named after. Its ruins stand as a testament to Armenia's rich historical heritage, offering a glimpse into the country's past. Moving on, at number 4 is the serene Sevanavank Monastery. Perched at the edge of the vast Lake Sevan, it is a haven of tranquility. The ancient monastery, coupled with the breathtaking landscape, creates a magical atmosphere that's hard to forget. Then, at number 3, we have the Ararat Brandy Factory. This isn't just a place, it's an experience. Here you can witness the traditional brandy-making process, which has been perfected over centuries. The combination of the rich aroma of fermenting fruit, the historic buildings, and the exquisite taste of the brandy is a sensory delight. And at number 2, standing as a solemn reminder of Armenia's tumultuous past, is the Armenian Genocide Memorial. This monument, while heartrending, is a place of reflection and respect. It's a poignant symbol of the resilience and strength of the Armenian people. Each of these places holds a deep emotional connection for the people of Armenia and offers a unique experience for visitors. And finally, the most beautiful place in Armenia at number 1 is the breathtaking Naroda Cemetery. Naroda Cemetery is unlike any other place on earth. This sprawling field of ancient Kachkars or cross stones is a sight to behold. Located in the Gegharkunik province, the cemetery dates back to the late medieval period, making it a significant link to Armenia's rich past. Imagine a vast expanse, speckled with over 2,000 intricately carved stones, each telling a unique story. These Kachkars, a distinctive feature of Armenian Christian art, are more than just gravestones. They are symbols of faith, hope, and an enduring testament to the artistic prowess of the Armenian people. Walking through the cemetery is like stepping back in time. The air is filled with a profound sense of tranquility, pierced only by the occasional whispering breeze. Each Kachkar, intricately decorated with motifs of crosses, rosettes, and symbolic figures, stands tall and proud, bearing silent witness to the centuries that have passed. The most striking feature of the Naroda Cemetery is its sheer size. It is the largest surviving cluster of Kachkars in the world, but beyond its size, it's the emotion that this place evokes that truly sets it apart. It's a place where one can feel a profound connection to the past, a sense of awe at the resilience of human spirit, and a deep appreciation for the beauty of Armenian artistry. Amidst the quiet, one can almost hear the echoes of the past, the chisel against stone, the prayers of the faithful, the laughter and tears of generations long gone. It's a place that invites reflection, reminding us of the fleeting nature of life and the enduring power of art and faith. The beauty of Naroda Cemetery is not just in its physical landscape, it's in the stories that it tells, the emotions that it stirs, and the sense of connection that it fosters. It's a place that resonates with the soul, a place that stays with you long after you've left. Naroda Cemetery stands as a testament to Armenia's rich history, culture, and breathtaking beauty. So, there you have it, the top 30 most beautiful places in Armenia. We've taken you on a journey through the ancient city of Vanadzor, with its charming old-world architecture, and the breathtaking Naroda Cemetery, a silent testament to the passage of time. We've walked through the lush forests of Dilijan National Park and admired the stunning panorama at Lake Sevan. We've explored the formidable fortress of Amidst and the serene beauty of the Tatev Monastery. We've also meandered through the streets of Yerevan, the vibrant capital, and journeyed to the mountainous landscapes of Lori Province. We've experienced the majesty of Mount Aragats and the mystery of the Geghard Monastery, and we've barely scratched the surface of the wonders that Armenia has to offer. Each of these places offers a unique experience, a glimpse into the rich history and culture of Armenia, and a taste of its breathtaking beauty.